Good morning, folks. Hope you're enjoying your Sunday morning and you got your big cup of coffee because this is virtual zippy. Technically, I'm at work right now. Anyway, we're going to do a new recipe that I just did, and it is a dessert baco, but the baco is way back there. So it won't scare you too much. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the little notification bell so you don't miss any of when I actually get a chance to make videos. It's been a while. I've been slacking off, and Flavor Chaser has been keeping me extremely busy. So, and I will put links to my other videos up above. So if you want to check them out, I have quite a few recipes. And so today we're going to be making the general. That's what I called it because it's very bossy. Anyway, I will screen share the recipe and show you, and then we will get to mixing. So, and okay, so this is my, as soon as it decides to click in here, we will share. Okay, and so here is the recipe, and I will scroll down. That's my general. And I call it a sophisticated dessert tobacco that isn't tobacco forward with hints of chocolate and nuts. So in this recipe, we have chocolate mousse by Vape Train at 1%, and TFA's double chocolate clear at 2.5%. and Glory from Flavor Art at 1.8%. And of course, one of my favorite you can't live without, Lucky Shot by OSDIY at 2%, and Soho at 4%. And that's it to this mix. Not very complicated. So let's get to mixing. So, of course, I got my fancy little container and all. And of course, we're playing with nicotine, so we need some gloves. I can't help myself. I have to do it. Anyway, so I will lower you down so you can watch me mix this little concoction, and I'll see you in a bit. Just hold on. Bye. You're going for a ride. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I always, in case anybody, yes, this is my weird little container because I use the Game Changer to mix my stuff. But anyway, so I always add, oops, I got the wrong. I always add my nicotine first, and I got the wrong recipe out here. Oops. Oops. I'm having a moment already. Okay, I'm going to mix this. We're going to make 30 mils, 70 blah, blah, blah. Okay. I'll just follow the screen while we're doing this because I got out the wrong recipe. Okay. Nothing new here. Okay, so anyway, first of all, I always add the nicotine because if you overfill, you can always take it back out. That's the way I roll. That's the way I've always rolled. To each his own, but that's the way I do it because I would sooner do it that way than have to remix a whole nother mix and do all this crazy concoction shit. So anyway, I vape at 6 milligrams. This is my Nick salts, and it's going in at 2.27 grams. Or 2.2, yeah, that's what I said. Okay, I'm having a moment, okay? It's already been a very long day. Oh, and how did we do that? Uh-oh. See? I had a drip. I am a leaker. And see, I had a drip. And we don't want that. Throw that right away in the garbage. Okay, oops. And we better do a little bit more cleanup because we can't have nick on the outside of the bottle. So we will clean that up and get rid of that as well. Okay, we're good to go again. Okay, now we will tare, and I need 5.81 grams of PG. Oh yes, here we go. I have some crazy crap going on here. All my bottles seem to want to leak. So we will fix that right now. I don't know. I have crazy stuff. I guess like the owner, everything wants to dribble. Okay, anyways, we'll start that again. 5.81 grams of PG. Oh, that's so good. Okay. And I got stuff all over me now from that bottle. I'm messy. Okay, on we go. Okay, so I guess I can take this off now. I'm not playing with nicotine no more because they're too big for me. Okay, first up is Chocolate Mousse by Vape Train. And it's going in the mix at 1%, and that is 0.30. And we tare. Next one up is Double Chocolate Clear by TFA. And that's going in the mix at 2.5% and 0.75 grams. Oh, I love the smell of this. I could sit and sniff this all day. There we go. And tare. Next one up, shake, 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 is Glory by Flavor Art. And it's going in the mix at 1.8%. And just a little tip on Glory, even though it's in the emotions line, I think some consider it a tobacco. But if you want a nutty taste in your mix, this stuff is the bomb. Anyway, and that's what I used it for. Okay, so in this, it's going in at 1.8% and 0.54 grams. One drop. There we go. 0.54. Yep. Okay, and next up, and you know I like this stuff because it's a big ass bottle. Lucky Shot by OSDIY. It's going in the mix at 2% and 0.60 grams. One more drop. Oh, there we go. Okay, and tare. And last but not least, we have Soho by Flavor Art. And that is going in the mix at 4%. I don't have a squirty on this bottle. And that's going in at 1.20 grams. So we will drop that in. Ooh, it smells good. If I do say so myself. Okay, and there we go. Now, if you're wondering why I didn't add the VG, it's because I am fortunate enough to have a game changer. And you have to heat up your VG prior to mixing so it doesn't burn out your homogenizer. Okay, so I need 24.21 grams of VG. So I always put it in 24.21. I go slow. I try and get as close as humanly possible without using a pipette. Okay. Oh, how does that happen? I lucked out. That one went bang on. Holy crap, I haven't done that before. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I don't know if you can watch, but I'm going to mix this, but I'm going to turn the sound off for a second because this thing is loud, and I'll be right back. And there we go. I'm done that part. So I'm just going to wait for it to dribble off the game changer there. And then we'll put it in the bottle. And love my fancy labels, eh? I don't get fancy with my own labels, so. Okay, I think we got it. So I'll let that rest of it dribble off there. Okay, and I'm just going to pour it in the bottle. I just made a 30 because I already made myself a bottle, but this is for demonstration purposes only. And do try this at home. Okay. I think I got every dribble out of there. So, okay. Put the little cap on. Oh, maybe. I need one of those gizmos, like a beer thing. Oh, yeah. And there you have it. And it's a little white and right now, but by tomorrow it'll be clear, unless you want to cheat and put it in the ultrasonic cleaner and it'll be clear in about 5 minutes or so. But anyway, that's it. So I'll bring you back up to reality here. Going up. Maybe we'll see if I whoop. There we go. There we are. Anyway, I hope you try this recipe and let me know what you think, but I really liked it. I don't really play with a lot of backos, but I don't ever ask me what possessed me to make this, but something clicked and away I went. So anyway, and leave comments in the on the video and let me know what you think and let me know if you tried it or not. And anyway, thank you for watching and get your mix on. Bye.